In this video, I'll show you how to organize Outlook email with folders and auto rules. If your inbox is getting crowded, one of the best ways to clean it up is to use folders for manual organization and rules for automatic sorting. Microsoft explains that Outlook uses folders to store and group messages, and rules can automatically move incoming emails based on conditions like sender or subject. That means you can create a simple system where newsletters, client emails, receipts, and team updates all go into the right place without you moving everything by hand. Let's start with folders. In New Outlook, Microsoft says you can create a top-level folder by right-clicking your email address in the folder pane, or by using the More Options menu and choosing Create New Folder. If you want a subfolder, select an existing folder, right-click it, and choose Create New Subfolder. In other Outlook versions, you may also be able to right-click Inbox or your account name and choose New Folder. Once you type the folder name and press Enter, it's ready to use. After your folders are created, you can start moving messages. Microsoft says you can select an email, choose Move, and pick the folder you want, or just drag and drop the message into that folder. This is useful when you want to clean up older emails first before setting up automation. You can even move multiple messages at once, which makes it faster to organize a large inbox. Microsoft also notes that you can add important folders to favorites so they stay easy to find. Now let's automate the process with rules. Microsoft says one of the fastest ways to create a rule is to right-click an email from the sender you want to organize, then choose Rules and Create Rule, or in some versions just Rule then Create Rule. After that, choose the folder where future messages from that sender should go and save the rule. From that point on, matching emails will be moved automatically as they arrive. You can also make rules more specific. Microsoft explains that rules can be based on things like the sender, words in the subject, and other message details. For example, you could move all invoice emails into a finance folder, all newsletter emails into a reading folder, or all messages from your manager into a priority folder. In some Outlook versions, you can also choose Run this rule now in Inbox, so existing matching emails get sorted right away instead of only future ones. If you use Outlook on the web or Outlook.com, Microsoft also mentions tools like Sweep, which can help organize messages from a sender, but inbox rules are still the main tool for instant automatic sorting. Sweep rules run once per day, while inbox rules run as soon as mail arrives, so rules are usually better when you want faster organization. So the easiest setup is this. Create folders for the types of emails you get most often, move a few older messages into those folders, then create rules so new emails go there automatically. That's how to organize Outlook email with folders and auto rules. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.